EU group ship owner, as well as no one really wants to have European cars because they have really lower battery, 400 kilometers battery refilling, and the Chinese are already going 900 kilometers. This is the Xiaomi U7. Everybody wants that car, no one can get that car in Europe, and the question is, well, how about the seafarers? Well, same thing happens with the seafarers now. Spain has really put this tax norm that they compare the aircraft employees with the merchant marine employees, and this is competitive disadvantage because, you know, what does it have to do one with the other? Well, the judges in Europe have really, in Spain, put this sentence. You know, what do judges know about this merchant marine? What can be done about that? Can we really put the judges back school and tell them, okay, 4 million seafarers, because there is 75,000 ships in this planet, and that equals 4 million seafarers, which is 2 on board, 2 at home. Is that simple? Okay, let's continue. Now, if that is direct 4 million, indirect is 44. Okay? 10 times, no, 11 times, that's 44 million. And this way we could really generate employment where the biggest appendix in Europe is for the merchant marine. That is Portugal, Spain, France, Italy, Greece. Already about 40-50% of the world fleet is European. Why not put European seafarers? Why? Because the same way you're eliminating and killing the tax, the car with the tax, 80%. The seafarers is the same thing. Could we have like Estonia, please? Thank you very much indeed. Estonia is the first brave country to say 0 seafarers tax, 0 flag tax now. Could we really do that and defend the strategic maritime sector? Because that's where the talent is, the retention. Keep control of this maritime industry. Come on, you'll do it today. These parliamentaries and European Senate and all these that are really paid with the tax of the seafarers. Tell them 0 tax. Why? Because then we can put the schools back into the talent, youngsters, and then the maritime industry in Europe will grow very fast. So indeed, dear shipowner, if you're looking for European seafarers, Candina has the biggest pool available today. How many could we? Well, let's say that everybody is dumping Europeans because of the tax, and they are employing other nationalities. Well, every day there is more and more available. Thank you, bye.